Rosemary. Fragrant, culinary, evergreen, subtropical, what we call a sub-shrub, small shrub. It is a woody plant. It has woody stems inside of it, but this isn't really hardy in our zones. They say there are some hardy varieties of rosemary, but really you may be able to get them to grow if you have very sharply drained soil, like along the shoreline with a lot of sand, and also moderated cold winter temperatures. This is a Mediterranean native, and so it loves that kind of that subtropical climate with dry summers and lots of sun, a little bit of rain in the winter, but not freezing temperatures. Rosemary is a wonderful culinary herb. Again, to do it successfully, you have to have very sharp drained soil, a lot of sand mixed in, very little organic material, peat moss and that sort of thing. Lovely flowers on older plants. It doesn't flower the first year. I have to grow rosemary as an annual. I plant little plants in the spring and in my herb garden, and then in the fall I harvest them and dry the fronds, the stems, for use during the winter. Rosemary is a member of the mint family, and it is, but it's a tropical member of that family, subtropical. It will not overwinter like our mint, the peppermint and spearmint that we grow. It is, again, a woody plant from a stem. This is several rosemary plants in this pot. Very fragrant leaves. If you want to grow rosemary to a full mature plant like this, you're going to need a greenhouse or some other way to keep it in full sun all winter long. It has to have full sun all winter long. Perhaps a south-facing window will do it if it's a small enough plant. Rosemary. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share.